Hi, and welcome to another episode of Tutorial Tuesday. Today we will talk about DAX, aka Data Analysis Expression in Power BI. Let's dive right in.
Now, let's find the answer to what DAX is. Data Analysis Expressions, commonly known as DAX, is a programming language used for creating formulas and expressions that are used for performing calculations and manipulating large data sets. DAX is not a new concept made uniquely for Power BI. An older version of DAX has been a part of the Microsoft Power Pivot tool. It has only recently been improved and reintroduced with Power BI, and it is also used in SQL Server analysis services. It is a powerful tool as it allows you to perform time-intelligent calculations, which is the ability to analyze data based on a time period such as weeks, months, or years. It also supports filtering and aggregation, which are essential for data analysis. Filtering allows users to restrict the data based on specific conditions such as selecting data for a particular product, region, or time period. Aggregation allows users to perform calculations on the data, such as summing or averaging values. DAX is designed to work with relational databases, meaning it can handle large data sets. However, it's important to note that DAX calculations can slow down the performance of a report if they are not optimized properly. Now, let's learn why should you use DAX. Understanding DAX is a crucial milestone to reach and conquer for anyone on the path of becoming a data analyst. Let's look at a few reasons supporting this argument. DAX is easy to learn. The syntax of DAX language is similar to the syntax of writing formulas in Excel. So, if you have written formulas in Excel, then you will not have a hard time learning the concepts of DAX. This language is scalable. It is designed for large data sets and is optimized for performance. It can handle large amounts of data and can perform complex calculations on them quickly. It is also flexible as it allows you to perform custom calculations on data sets as per your requirement. It supports various functions and operators that can be combined to create complex formulas. DAX can be integrated with various tools along with Power BI such as Power Pivot in Excel and SQL Server analysis services. It means you can work across different Microsoft data analysis tools using DAX. DAX can also be used to do advanced calculations. It allows you to perform complex calculations that are often very difficult to perform using traditional methods. Now let's learn about the various uses of DAX in Power BI. Coming so far in this lecture, you must have understood that DAX is used for performing calculations. You can perform three types of calculations on a data model using DAX, which are calculated columns, calculated tables, and measures.
Now, if you want to learn in depth about calculated columns, calculated tables, and measures, you can check out our full Power BI course on Udemy. This course covers Power BI top to bottom. With over 60,000 students and a 4.5-star rating, this course is for you. I have put the course link in the description. Make sure to check it out.